Everyone, I am going to start new story, chapter 4, The Ashes That Made Trees Bloom. The story, The Ashes That Made Trees Bloom, is written by William Elliott Graffes. He was born in 1843 in USA. It is a Japanese story. It is about an honest, hardworking couple who lived with their pet dog Muko. Because of the greedy and cruel nature of their neighbor, the dog was killed. But the dog's spirit, means soul, gave comfort and support to his owner in many ways. The main characters of the story are: the first one is Muko the dog, then a kind old farmer, the kind old farmer's wife, a wicked old man, the wicked old man's wife, daimyo. Daimyo means wealthy landlords of Japan were known as daimyo. Daimyo's wife and daimyo's soldiers. Now the story begins. In the good old days of the daimyos, there lived an old couple whose only pet was a little dog. In the 19th century, in the old days of daimyos in Japan, there lived an old couple. They had a little pet dog. The dog was their only companion. The dog was called Muko. Having no children, they loved it as though it were a baby. So they loved it as if it were their own baby. The old dame means woman, made it a cushion of blue crepe, and at meantime Muko, for that was its name, would sit on it as snug as any cat. The kind old couple fed the pet with tidbits of fish from their own chopsticks and all the boiled rice it wanted. Thus treated, the dumb creature loved its protectors like a being with a soul. The dog was provided with a cushion made of blue crepe. Blue crepe means it is a type of cloth, to sit on it comfortably. And he was fed lovingly by the couple. They gave him pieces of fish and boiled rice as much as he wanted. They fed the dog with their own forks. In return, the dog also loved them much. The old farmer, being a rice farmer, went daily with hoe or spade into the fields, working hard from morning until O Tento Sama, as the sun is called. O Tento Sama means sun, had gone down behind the hills. So every morning, the old man, who was a rice farmer, used to go to his fields, and Muko also followed him to his fields. The old farmer was very hardworking, and he used to work hard from morning until the sunset. Old farmer was very kind. Then a heron. Heron means large fish-eating birds with long legs. So a heron walked in the footsteps of the old man to pick up the worms. But the man was so kind, he never used to harm the birds. Even the dog also never harmed the bird. The old man was kind towards everything that had life. He used to turn up the soil so that the worms would come out and the birds would eat these worms. So he thought about everything that had life. Next para. One day the dog came running to him, putting his paws against his legs and motioning with his head to some spot behind. The old man at first thought his pet was only playing and did not mind it. But the dog kept on whinnying and running to and fro for some minutes. Then one day the dog put his paws against the old man's legs. He motioned with his head to some point behind. To please the dog, the old man followed him. At a little distance from there, the dog stopped and began scratching the earth. To help his pet, the old man struck his hoe in the earth. Hoe means it is a type of instrument that is used for farming. The man dug the earth and he thought there was possibly a buried bone or fish. But what he found? He found a pile of gold. Next, thus in an hour, the old couple were made rich. The good souls bought a piece of land, made a feast for their friends, and gave plentifully to their poor neighbors. So now the couple became rich and bought a piece of land. They gave a feast to their friends and did charity. Charity means they helped to their poor friends. They hugged the dog in a thankful manner. Now in the same village there lived a wicked old man and his wife, not a bit sensitive and kind, who had always kicked and scolded all dogs whenever any passed their house. So in the same village there lived a wicked old man and his wife. They were very insensitive and wicked. They always kicked and scolded all dogs whenever any passed their house. But when they heard their neighbor's good luck, they brought the dog, that is Muko, in their garden. And they gave Muko good and tasty food to eat. But the dog was afraid. He neither ate nor moved. They used force and dragged the dog. They walked with him. When they reached a pine tree, the dog began to scratch the ground. To see this, the wicked couple was delighted, and they thought that there was gold under it. Both of them dug the ground. But what they got? There was a dead kitten. The couple was very angry. Then the old man killed the dog, and his wife nearly chopped off his head with a sharp hoe. Then they buried the carcass means dead body, of the dog into the soil and made a heap of earth over it.